Morning traders, Nick Mastrandrea with Market Tea Leaves, here to bring you our daily market buyers video for Wednesday, March 12th. It's approximately 5:40 a.m. on the East Coast. If we were to take a look at the overnight session in Asia closed pretty much to the downside with the exception of the Indian Sensex exchange, which closed fractionally higher. Currently right now in Europe, and this is current and ongoing, all of Europe is trading to the downside. With some exchanges trading in triple-digit negative territory, if you will. Now, if we were to take a look at market correlation as it stands, currencies in terms of the U.S. dollar is trading higher. It's been trading higher pretty much all morning long. Energies in terms of crude is trading lower. It's been trading lower pretty much all morning long, and there is correlation between the U.S. dollar and crude as of this writing. Also note that crude has dropped dramatically from where it was a couple of days ago. This is the first instance where crude is traded below the $100 a barrel mark for quite some time now. Financials in terms of the bonds are trading higher. They've been trading higher pretty much all morning long. Indices in terms of the S&P, the NASDAQ, Dow Jones Industrial Average are all trading to the downside, pointing to the downside. Metals in terms of gold, silver, all trading higher. In terms of economic news we have on the docket for the U.S. markets today, we really don't have very much to speak of. And ironically enough, it's probably going to happen more in the afternoon than it is in the morning. In the morning, we have crude oil inventories, which is usual and customary for Wednesday, and that'll be out at 10:30 a.m. Bonds, we have a bond auction that starts at 1 o'clock p.m. or 1 p.m. And we also have the Treasury Secretary speaking at 2 p.m. That's pretty much it for the U.S. markets. So we really don't have any major economic news to drive the markets higher. All in all, our bias is to the downside today. And what we're dealing with is a nearly correlated market. And what I mean by nearly correlated, if we were to go back to the futures, everything is pretty much correlated to the downside with the exception of metals. Gold is kind of the outlier, if you will, but again, understand something. Even though ordinarily we say that when gold goes higher, the market should go higher, that is all well in a normalized market. However, we're not dealing with a normalized market. We're dealing with a highly volatile market, and typically gold will go higher when we have a crisis situation or a time of strife, if you will. For example, last Monday when the Russians pretty much went into Ukrainian territory, the markets went down, but gold took off like a rocket. And the reason why that was because there was a period of time where there was a chaotic situation, if you will. And hence we say nearly correlated with the missing ingredient being gold. However, gold is taking off. So something to keep in mind if trading today. Additionally, if you're going to be trading the crude market, I would suggest doing it after the inventory numbers come out, if you will, because that usually marks a period of high volatility for the crude markets. Could this change? Absolutely. Anything is possible in the volatile market. Thanks. Hope this helps. Look forward to the next time with you.